Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've ever struggled to get that sleek, shiny, salon-fresh look at home, then today's review might just help you rethink your hairstyling routine. I'm talking about the Chai Original Digital Ceramic Hairstyling Iron, a 1-inch flat iron designed to give smooth, frizz-free results while minimizing damage. Let's break down how it performs so you know exactly what to expect. The Chai Original Digital Ceramic Hair Straightener comes with 1-inch plates that feature rounded edges, making it versatile for both straightening and creating soft waves. Its ceramic technology ensures even heat distribution across each strand, while the anti-static properties help reduce frizz and flyaways. It heats up digitally, giving you precise temperature control, which is especially important if you're styling fine or color-treated hair. The ergonomic design feels balanced in hand, and Chai emphasizes ethical practices. This iron is cruelty-free, paraben-free, and sulfate-free. Using it in my daily routine was surprisingly effortless. I divided my hair into small sections, as recommended, and ran the iron smoothly from root to tip. The glide over my strands felt almost frictionless, which I attribute to Chai's ceramic plates. My hair looked visibly shinier and felt soft to the touch. One thing I noticed is that while the plates heat evenly, styling very thick sections requires slightly slower passes to achieve a uniform finish. I would say the standout points are definitely the sleek design, ease of use, and the reduction in frizz compared to other irons I've tried. On the downside, the digital display can feel a bit small if you're trying to adjust temperatures mid-style, and the 1-inch plate might be time-consuming for very long or thick hair. In terms of value, Chai flat irons are positioned at a premium price, but given the durability, consistent performance, and hair-protecting ceramic technology, I'd say it's justified if you style regularly or want professional quality results at home. Compared to other irons in a similar price range, Chai offers slightly better frizz control and shine thanks to their patented ceramic technology, making it a worthwhile investment. The build quality feels solid. The housing is sleek and piano black, and the plates have held up well without chipping or warping. Even after multiple weeks of daily use, I haven't noticed any drop in performance, which speaks to its longevity. I haven't had personal interaction with the Chai customer support, but the brand's reputation for responsiveness and professional-grade products is strong. If you're exploring alternatives, there are other ceramic irons under $100 that perform reasonably well, but many lack the even heat distribution and anti-frizz technology that Chai offers. For those seeking a reliable tool for everyday use with minimal hair damage, this iron stands out. Overall, the Chai Original Digital Ceramic Hairstyling Iron delivers consistent shine, smoothness, and frizz control while being gentle on your hair. It's particularly well-suited for anyone who styles frequently and wants professional results at home. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried the Chai flat iron, drop a comment below and share your experience. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. And as always, thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.